Importance of chemistry in agriculture. So chemistry plays an important role in different fields around us like agriculture, medicine, food. So it plays a major role in improving the crop yield also. So we know that a population is rising at a very fast pace, so there is a lot of need of food and the crops. So it is very important that when crops are grown, the yield of the crop is more. So to increase the yield of crops, chemicals are being used. So different types of fertilizers are used by farmers to increase the crop yield. So they are the gift of chemistry. So fertilizers are actually the chemicals that are used to increase the crop yield. So fertilizers are basically industrially manufactured chemical compounds. So how do they increase the crop yield? So crops actually require some specific type of nutrients for their growth, which actually is provided by soil. So sometimes soils lacks in those nutrients, so they are supplied using the chemicals, and those chemicals are called fertilizers. For example, urea is an important fertilizer which supplies nitrogen to the crops, and NPK, again another fertilizer, NPK, where N stands for nitrogen, P stands for phosphorus, and K is the symbol for potassium. So they supply nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to the crops, to the soil. So these chemical fertilizers, they are nutrient specific. Not just fertilizers, so we know that sometimes the crops are attacked by different types of insects, or we call them as pests, which destroy the crop yield. So in order to kill the insects or the pests, pesticides and insecticides are used to control the pests and insects in the fields. So they are also made using the chemistry knowledge. So pests can be achieved by spraying pesticides like malathion, parathion, endrin. So these are different names of the pesticides. So these chemicals, they kill the pest, their eggs and larvae, but they will not harm the plants if they are used in small quantity. Then again, the chemical used to kill insects are called insecticides, and the ones that are used to kill rodents like we have mouse and all, so they are called rodenticides. So these are again all the chemicals. Then fungicides are the chemicals used to destroy fungi which are harmful to the crops. So all of these are sprayed on the standing crop before flowering and fruiting. So this helps to improve the crop yield and also to protect them from different pests, insects and the rodents. So all these are the chemicals that are manufactured industrially.